I got a quick overview on the way that I've got this trailer set up. This is the Axial flatbed. I have it sitting usually behind the TRX4 M instead, and I just took the trailer hitch ball off of the Axial hitch and put it onto the Traxxas, and I've ended up hooking up the Pro Scale lighting from the Traxxas trailer onto this Axial flatbed. I've made a conversion kit here that puts the toolbox up on the front. The stock lid exposes the wiring out the back, so I have ended up 3D printing a lid that has a cover over the back that hides the wiring so you can't see it. As well, the flatbed does not have any cross bracing. Here I print this here that goes in the front there and snaps that onto the tongue. The tail lights, I print these little brackets here that go on into the place of the stock tail lights and are able to replace these stock tail lights here with the covers that you can put over. Now the ramps all still completely work the same, as well as I make these little brackets here that you can space out and lift the trailer as well. You can see this one has a much better clearance and it sits taller than the other. So with these 4 little pieces here and just extending the wires, you can hook up the Pro Scale light onto the Traxxas trailer, or onto the Axial trailer. Like I said, this goes over the top and covers it so you don't see any of the wiring coming out of the box.